Welcome to Bountiful Homestead, where we dive deep into self-sufficiency and preparedness. Today, we're unpacking the essentials of a bug-out bag, your lifeline in emergency situations. A bug-out bag, or BOB, is designed to support you for 72 hours during an unforeseen evacuation. The goal? Keep you alive and moving towards safety. Here are the core essentials. Water and filtration. Water is life. Include at least 1 liter per day, a portable filter, and purification tablets. Food. Pack non-perishable, high-energy foods like energy bars, dried fruits, and ready-to-eat meals. Shelter and warmth. A lightweight tent or emergency bivvy can make a difference. Don't forget a compact sleeping bag and thermal blankets. Clothing. Pack weather-appropriate, durable clothing. Consider layering and include a good pair of boots. First aid kit. A comprehensive first aid kit for treating minor injuries and illnesses is crucial. Tailor it to your personal medical needs. Tools and equipment. A multi-tool, a durable flashlight, extra batteries, and a fire starter can be lifesavers. A compact cooking system is also valuable. Navigation. Maps, a compass, or a GPS device will keep you oriented. Knowing how to use them is just as important as having them. Personal documents. Keep copies of important documents like ID, passport, and insurance information in a waterproof container. Hygiene supplies. Basic hygiene items such as toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, and hand sanitizer will keep you healthy and comfortable. Communication devices. A charged phone, solar charger, and emergency radio will help you stay informed and reach out for help if needed. Your bug-out bag is your emergency partner. Customize it based on your environment, personal needs, and the specific risks you might face. Remember, the best bug-out bag is the one that's ready when you need it, but one you hope to never use. For a more comprehensive breakdown of each item and additional tips on how to choose and pack your bug-out bag effectively, visit our blog at bountifulhomestead.com. Check out our article, Bug-Out Bag Essentials, your complete emergency preparedness guide. Equip yourself with knowledge and stay prepared. The link to the article is in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay prepared, and remember, at Bountiful Homestead, we're here to help you thrive, no matter what comes your way.